Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. When it comes to small porch decorating ideas, creativity and resourcefulness take center stage in transforming these compact outdoor spaces into charming and inviting nooks. Despite their limited size, small porches offer ample opportunities to infuse personality and style. Begin by maximizing the area with space-saving furniture, such as folding chairs or compact benches that can easily be tucked away when not in use. Opposite for multifunctional pieces like storage ottomans or side tables with built-in planters to maximize both decoration and functionality. Embrace the power of verticality with hanging planters, wall-mounted shelves, or decorative mirrors that create an illusion of space and that visual interest. Consider a cozy outdoor rug or colorful doormats to anchor the porch and define the sitting area, or soft cushions and weather-resistant pillows provide comfort while injecting a pop of color and pattern. String lights or lanterns huge overhead add a warmth and enchanting glow during the evenings. And lastly, don't forget to synchronize with potted plants, lanterns, and small decoration items that reflect your personal taste. And small porch decorating ideas encourage you to think outside the box, making the most of every inch and transforming your petite outdoor retreat into a delightful and intimate haven to relax and unwind. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.